What's up, my beautiful butterflies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Laurie. Today I'm going to be making stuffed ribeye chops, and let's just get started. All right, so what I have here is cornmeal, 4 cups of cornmeal, and 5 cups of water. And this is gonna be, once again, for my cornbread and also for my stuffing mix. And I'm just gonna pour this right in here. Just like this. You don't even have to grease it. You can just pour it right in there just like that. All right. I've washed my chops, and I'm going to show you how you say, how are you going to stuff those? They're so small. I'm going to show you. Here's all you do. You're not just going to open them all the way up. You're just going to take this and go through it. Make sure you go deep enough. All right. Just go deep enough in there so that you can stuff them. And I'll show you. Take your time, be careful with this knife, see? You're just gonna make a little pocket. I'm gonna do it a little deeper than that, but that's just a little pocket there, alright? Okay, so I've already put salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna follow with some accent here. Repeat the same steps, salt, pepper, accent, or whatever seasonings you like. Once again, let me just wash my hands. All right, so my cornbread is ready, and I'm just gonna take it and put it in this bowl. I don't have to use all of this because I made a little bit. I'm gonna add 2 cups of beef broth, some celery, onion, and bell pepper. And I'm gonna add that into here. Okay, so I'm adding 2 3/4 cups of beef broth. I've already added the 2, so this is my 3/4. I don't want it too wet, and I don't want it too dry. You have to remember that this is going to cook, so you really don't want to make this too dry. All right. I'm going to add some breadcrumbs into here. All right. And see, you don't want it too dry, and you don't want it too wet. Get in there so they can see that. See, that's not too wet, it's not too dry. All right, so I'm ready to stuff them. And I just have a small spoon here because the pockets are small. And just simply take it and put it in there.
too big on this. I want to get enough in there.
There. These are perfect for any occasion. All right, so I've stuffed these already, and I'm gonna pop them in the oven for about 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out, and then I'm gonna cook them a little bit on top of the stove. All right, I'll be back. I'm putting some olive oil in here. And then I have some glaze mixture here that I'm gonna put in here, just like so. And then I'm gonna put my pork chops in. Let them cook for about 1 minute on each side. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Let me just show you one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? All right. And so there she is, our stuffed ribeye chops. Beauty. All right, so there it is. And once again, I just want to say thank you for watching another session of Cooking with Laurie. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press that post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you will be notified. Until next time, I'll see you later.